our kitty can draw friends. Get ready to draw the sweetest house on the block. Let's draw a gingerbread house. First, draw an upside down letter V for the roof. Then draw a diagonal line coming down from each side. Draw a similar line next to each one. Then end each line with an upside down letter U and connect each pair at the end to make a candy cane on each side. Draw a curved line at the bottom, connecting the two candy canes. Draw a large upside down letter U for the door. Then draw a similar one around it for the door frame. Draw a circle in the top half of the door for the window. Then draw two vertical lines in the top half of the circle. Make a horizontal line coming out from each. Then connect each pair with a curved line to make 2/4 of a circle. Repeat the same steps on the bottom part of the circle and make them upside down to make another 2/4 of the circle. Draw a small circle on the door for the doorknob. Repeat the same steps of the window above the door to make another window in the house. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw two lines going up from the bottom of the house on each side of the door, going away from each other as you go upwards. Draw a circle at the top of each line. Then decorate it with some curves radiating from the center to make lollipops decorating our gingerbread house. Draw a wavy line along the roof of the house for the icing. Then draw some circles scattered on the icing and make some smaller than the others. Then draw another upside down letter V, intersecting the circles to finish the roof of the house. Draw two vertical lines coming up from the left part of the roof. Then draw a rectangle at the top to make the chimney. Decorate the rectangle with a wavy line for the icing. Draw 2 vertical lines coming up from the right side of the roof, each ending with an upside down letter U, connected together at the end to make a candy cane on top. Decorate the 3 candy canes on our house with some diagonal lines. At the bottom, make a letter C on the left side and its mirror image on the other, and connect them together with a wavy line at the bottom to make the icing that represents the snow. Draw some circles scattered on the icing and make them with random sizes. Now draw some oval shapes scattered on the icing, also on the icing that's on the roof, to make the sprinkles. Home sweet ginger home! Now you can draw a gingerbread house. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.